In a moment filled with joy and profound gratitude to the Almighty God, on 9th of September 2023, the FMA of Shillong Province witnessed the inauguration and blessing of the new provincial house at Auxilium Nongthymmai, Shillong. The esteemed task of inaugurating the new building was carried out by Mother Kiara Katsuila, the Superior General, while the blessing was bestowed upon it by Archbishop Victor Lungdo of the Archdiocese of Shillong. The auspicious occasion was graced by the presence of sisters from the 7 provinces of India from Timor, Myanmar and Cambodia provinces who have gathered for the centenary celebration along with the sisters from the province.
Occasion of the centenary of the FMA presence in India that we are going to officially inaugurate and bless this building of the new provincial house. We feel so happy to have such a big crowd of FMAs present on this occasion, starting from our Mother General, Mother Kiara, the councillors, the Senate, the Minister, and the Minister, and all the provincials of India and the provincials from South Asia. I would like to say many of you have been here, especially from the other provinces of Calcutta and Guwahati, they were here. They have seen this place. Very, very different, a transformed place. And I would say we are grateful to all those who have been here, right from the beginning of the province. And what we see today is not the glory of those who are here alone, but many of you who have toiled in this land, worked here, and that's the only attitude that we who are living at this moment in this community around here in the province of Shillong feel now. It's the work of everyone. And we have in our midst a great pastor, Archbishop Victor Lungdo. I don't want to describe Bishop because he's a very great friend of the Salesian sister. So he's not a Salesian bishop, but I would say at heart he has been in the region. So he's very supportive of our mission. He just wants the church to grow with many flowers blooming in his archdiocese. And there are a lot of sisters and fathers and others working here. And a person who is loved, admired by everyone, irrespective of whether you are a diocesan or a religious or this congregation, the other congregation, everyone feels that Bishop loves the most. And we FMS feel the same, so I'm not flattering Bishop, okay, I'm not flattering, maybe I'm so private.
And special as we gather here for the significant moment in history with the blessing and inauguration of this newly constructed provincial house of the province of Shillong. Every brick laid upon in the construction of this structure speaks of God's love and providence. Every mortar that binds the bricks reveals the love, unity and contribution made towards the realization of this building in many and varied ways. 100 years since the arrival of our pioneers makes us feel proud to recall the abundance of God's goodness and to experience His love and fidelity. It is a great and
This is a solemn moment when our Mother General will inaugurate this building which we consider as a centenary memorial, and we will come to request Mother General to inaugurate. Auxilium Provincial House Shillong, inaugurated by Sister Kiara Katsuila, FMA, Superior General, and blessed by Most Reverend Victor Lungdo DD, Archbishop of Shillong Archdiocese, on the 9th September 2023, on the centenary year of the arrival of the FMA in Northeast India. Thank you.
Before I begin, allow me a few minutes. So I would like to also to welcome Very Reverend Mother General Kiara to Shillong Archdiocese. You look very beautiful, mother. And then also, we welcome all the counselors from abroad and all the provincials from India, and especially our own provincial. She has done great work together with economer, Jemima, when he's not here also. How to complete this building is a big miracle. So anyway, we thank God. Yes, I love the FMA sisters. I was trained by the Salesian. I'm not Salesian. One time I wanted to become Salesian, but not allowed by the Salesian father. That is why I remain always diocesan. And I ask God so that I may love everyone. So today, once again, welcome all of you, dear sisters. So many, maybe all the saints in heaven, angels are very happy with your presence today. I'm very proud because in Shillong I see so many sisters today. So, welcome, and we begin our prayer. In the name of the Father, of the Son, of the Holy Spirit. Amen. The peace of the Lord be with you all.
And with your spirit.
When Christ took flesh through the Blessed Virgin Mary, He made His home with us. Let us now pray that He will enter His home and bless it with His presence. May He always be here with you, share in your joy. The Gospel reading according to St. Luke. When they drew near to the village to which they were going,
blessing, and not only the building, but blessing everyone who is here present and who will live in this house. That's what a wonderful blessing that is. So we thank very much Archbishop for your blessing. And on this occasion, I would like to thank all the former provincials who worked here but not possible. So we have just one Sister Isabella Suja. May I request Sister Isabella Suja to come forward, and in her person we would like to honor and thank all the provincials who worked in the past in this province. And I would request Mother General to felicitate her. And thank for all the work all our sisters have done. Your Mother General. Thank you, Mother. There's no celebration. Bishop and Mother together. And you. Now we will.
once again, dear sisters, after this celebration, we will go for the breakfast, which is prepared in 2 places here in the refectory of the new provincial house, and up there another big refectory is there in order to not to waste time.
Survival.